In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a text reveal effect in CapCut PC. Launch your CapCut Video Editor app. Create a new project by clicking on Create Project. Import the video that you want to work with by clicking on the Import button. Drag the video to the timeline. In the top left menu, click on Text. Drag the default text box to your timeline. Extend the duration of the text layer to match the length of your video clip by dragging the edges of the text track. Edit the text as desired. Increase the font size. Select a font of your liking. Drag the text to the right side. In the top right menu, scroll down a little. Check the transform keyframe. Bring your playhead to the end of the video. Drag the text box to the other side. Check the transform keyframe again. Now copy your video layer and paste it into the timeline. Bring the copied video layer above the text layer. If your video layer doesn't come above, click anywhere in the timeline to deselect the layers. In the right side menu, click on Modify. Make sure that the Arrange Layer option is turned on. Select the top video layer. In the right side menu, click on Mask. Click on Add Mask. Click on Split. Reposition the splitting line to 90 degrees. Bring the line towards your object. Copy your original video again and paste it. Bring the copied video to the top of the timeline. In the right side menu, click on Remove BG. Click on Auto Removal. Wait for the removal process to complete. Now, if I play the video from the start, you can see that we have created an amazing text reveal effect.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.